Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. So here in this video we're going to be looking at how to make money online as an infographics designer. So we'll be looking at different platforms on how to offer this service and how you can actually make money with infographic design. So basically I've research on Fiverr to see how much people are actually making on infographics, and I see there are a lot of people who are actually into this service already and they are really making a lot of money on this particular service on Fiverr platform. So we'll be looking at other platforms as well and how you can actually skyrocket your sales and make more money as an infographic designer. So you can see most of these sellers here, they have a lot of orders in queue and a lot of reviews on their profile. So definitely this is saying that, or this is actually telling us that this service is actually high in demand and you can actually make money from it. So let's check on this particular infographic designer and see what he have in the profile. So you can see the basic package start from $20, and this price depends on how you actually want to price your service, and the more review you have on your gig will definitely tell people how they should trust you and what they should actually expect from your design. So, and I also don't forget, I'll also share you the platform where you can actually design infographics for free. And if you actually want to go into the premium package, there is a premium package and there are designs in there for you. So you can, all you just have to do is just to do some basic editing upon what your client actually requested from you. So these are some infographic design that this particular seller actually designed for his client. So you can see how it actually looks like. You can see this, you can see that. So this is in presentation form. So this is an infographics for kitchen rescue. So you can see infographics bundle. So you see everything about what this particular seller actually designed for this seller. So you can look into this to see what kind of design people actually needed from you. So this will give you head up on what you should expect from clients and how you can actually tackle that kind of question once you have one. So these are really great. These are really great. So let's check on some other profile too and see what's going on in there. So infographics can actually be in different kind of format, and you can see there are some infographics that require a lot of images and there are some infographics that require a lot of icons. So it all depends on what your clients actually requested from you. Some of these infographics actually request some images. As you can see here, you need to find some images from Pixabay, on Splash. So make sure you find some images that are kind of like PNG with no background. So you just have to just remove the background if actually needed. And you can also use Fiverr. You can also use Canva to remove picture background as well if you are running a pro account on Canva platform. So these are really amazing. These are some infographics that you can actually charge any amount of money from your client and they are going to pay because they actually need this service. They really need this service for real. So checking on some other designs from this particular seller. So let's check out if you can see some presentation here. So we'll see much info about the particular product or design that this particular seller actually did. So I guess this seller is delivering in pictures, so we want people to be able to see pictures so that some people will not copy our design. So I think this is actually amazing. So this also gives idea on what the design actually looks like. So you can see here. So these are how infographics actually looks like. If you haven't have idea about how or what infographic is, so this is infographics. So if you actually want to design infographics for free, or you want to get started as an infographic designer, so the best place to get started as a newbie or novice is going on to Canva platform. So once you head up to Canva platform, then you can be able to scroll down to create design. So when you're on Canva, so go down to create design. So on create design, you see, you try to find infographics, you can see here, and you can also search here infographics. So you can search anywhere, you can search here too. So just go to infographics, then you'll be able to see a lot of designs that are editable. Like you can just edit it to your own taste. There are a lot of infographics designs. You can see here timeline, infographics, food, science. So there are a lot of categories: water, health, blue, and then school, history, infographics, business, travel, green data, money, education, sex, math. So there are different categories, so you can see everything is well listed here, and it's made it simple for you to just do some basic editing to make sure it fits to what your client actually needed from you. So this is very, very great. You can see this is very, very great, and your client will definitely, they are going to like what you design. So I guess you can also zoom it out. You can see, you can just zoom it, so you'll be able to see what you actually want to edit, and it will be very, very much easier for you to edit on any kind of infographics you actually want to edit from Canva platform. So if you can't find the kind of design that your client actually needed from you, so you can just search here and just search based on the need. You can search for food. So let's search for food and see what we have. So you can see the designs we have. Let's search for education. So you can see the designs are different from what we have been seeing before. You can also search for travel. So this is traveler. So Canva made infographics design more easier for you, and if you actually want to make money as an infographics designer, this is just the right way for you to make or to start making money as an infographics designer. And if you have idea about using software like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, you can also do an amazing design. So but without you stressing yourself with all this CorelDRAW and Photoshop design, you can just use a template that are already made for you, and then all you just have to do is just to do some basic editing, then you are ready to go, and you can just deliver that design to your client. So if you also want to add another page, you can see you can add a temporary or a plain page to it, and you can find different kind of icons. You can see all these one are icons, and they are actually free. So anyone you see a crown on it, so it's a pro design, and you can't have access to it when you are running a free Canva account. So all you have to do is just to do some upgrading, and I guess it costs between, let me try to check. So I think I forgot how much it actually costs to run a pro account on Canva. So let's try and see, get Canva Pro. I think I'm running a team account, so I don't have access to do some upgrading. So then I can just switch on to a personal account, then I'll be able to do some upgrading for my Canva account. So this is all I have for you in this video, and with this method you can make lots of money being an infographic designer. You can also use platforms like Upwork, People Per Hour, Freelancer.com. A lot of freelancing space are available for you, and there are clients who are actually ready to pay you any amount of money to design an infographics designs for them, for their business, for their products, or anything they actually need infographics for. So let me try to search for infographics here as well. You can actually see, so you can see infographics. So it's high in demand, and people are actually not really into it. So all these sellers side charge $69 per hour, $40 per hour, $35 per hour. So it depends on how much you actually want to charge on your own service. And what you charge doesn't matter to anyone, so you set your own price to any amount you feel like it's worth your stress. So you can see some other sellers as well. See, this seller is charging $145 on the basic package, and this one is charging $30. This one is charging 25. This is 25. This is 35. This is 15.5. So it all depends. Anyone can charge any amount they feel like their service actually worth. So this is all for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding this video, can you drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.